In this video, I'm going to show how to use front and back camera at the same time. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device I'm using on Samsung, Android, but you can do the exact process if you are on iPhone or any other on Samsung phone. First, you need to come on your shop app, App Store or Play Store, click right here to search and search front and back camera. So front and back camera. Enter. You will see several apps you can use and you add one. In my case, I use this one, okay, but you can use any app because our apps have the same function. So click install and click to open. It will come on this logo and you need to give the permissions to the app. So here you can see that I have my front and my back camera at the same time. So here is a black screen because I have my finger on the back camera, okay? So here you can select if you want a video, if you want an image, a picture, and you can select several options that you can use, okay? Just select the option and make your video or picture that you want to use front and back camera at the same time. I hope I help you how to use front and back camera at the same time. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.